Hello everyone in Cyber World, welcome back to another video. I'm Richard.
And I'm Jennifer, and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY. Today we're going to do some homemade Christmas decorations.
So if you watched any of our recent videos, we kind of talked about this, but we have always decorated our office. Every Thanksgiving Day, we go to my office and we do some really elaborate builds that are a little bit crazy, but we have a lot of fun with it, and we never decorated our home. I think I have some links to some of the things that we've done in the past to give you an idea of what we normally do. But today, what we're going to do for the first time is we're going to decorate the stuff in our front lawn, which is really tiny. However, since we're teleworking and no one's at the office, they can't see the decorations, and also because our granddaughter is going to be living here in Hawaii very soon, we were hoping that she might enjoy this. So this is just a start. We're going to show you the things that we did. This isn't going to be a how-to video, but more maybe an inspiration to show you that you don't have to go out and buy things for your decorating your house. You can make some of these on your own, and hopefully these will be an inspiration on how to do it.
And if you enjoy our video, please leave us a comment. This helps our channel grow. And if you haven't, please hit the subscribe button below.
Now on to the video. Alexa, turn off the garage. Santa Claus, I want a cordless jigsaw for Christmas. got some money from Mom and Dad for birthday. So this is what I got. Thanks, Mom and Dad.
We're sorry, we're gonna have to continue this video next week. We have far too much footage. So until then,
Bye-bye.